Hey everyone, it's shwdrdge, and today we are back again to take a look at one of the new Spider-Man Funko Pops, and this time we are going to take a look at Tom Holland's final swing suit from the movie, which will be seen at the very end where he does the swinging outside New York with those snowy streets. I think the suit just appeared for a brief 10 seconds for the final swing, but this is actually the best Tom Holland suit during the movie, and as you can see, that is represented here in the packaging. You can see he has this somehow web action going on. Here he is. Side of the box, behind the box is the set as usual, and at this side is the entire photo of the figure, which has the swinging pose along with the web in his hand. He's holding the web to give a more accurate representation of him swinging, not much from top and bottom. And time to open him up. And here he is outside the packaging and as you can see, this is pretty much Tom Holland, Spider-Man himself exactly. And I just remembered that this figure is a metallic figure, and you can see that the metallic detail is being shown in the blue parts of his suit. And the details of this suit is pretty much amazing. You can clearly see the lines of the suit molded, and the shine of the blue is pretty much amazing. Here's the new spider logo, which I absolutely love. Here is the back view. You can see his whip like this, somehow swinging like that. Also, he is in a stand. I had the option to get if the final swing or the final battle, the leaping Spider-Man, but I went this one first because this suit is more of Spider-Man look, more look like Spider-Man throughout the cinematic history of Marvel, and maybe grab the leaping Spider-Man next time. And all in all, this figure is amazing, nice, well represented just like in the movie, and a 4.5 out of 5. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time, and peace.